Hey, welcome back to Midlife Crisis. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start our first episode in a series I like to call Carbon Fiber Fever. So when I purchased my AMG GTS, one of the things that wasn't quite right with the car was the steering wheel. So currently the steering wheel is all alcantara with a red stitching, and I really want to go to a carbon fiber steering wheel, still with the alcantara, but the alcantara really where the hand grips are, with the red stitching to match the interior. And so today we're going to be going over to Bavarian Automotive to have the steering wheel swapped out with the new one. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. When I purchased this car, one of the things that I did not like was the fact that the steering wheel has kind of a roughed up alcantara. And so what we wanted to do was get something that is going to, improve the look, but still stay with the aesthetic of the car. So we have a brand new OEM carbon fiber steering wheel, which is a combination of alcantara and the red stitching, and keeps the same airbag. Say goodbye to this steering wheel, and I will now show you the new one. All right, so here we are. Ordered the new steering wheel. It is a export of Germany, so kind of tells you that it is OEM. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the new steering wheel. All right, so as you can see, it is brand new glistening gloss carbon fiber with the alcantara, but then the carbon fiber is in all the right places. We have all of the same controls. We'll move the airbag from the previous steering wheel into the new steering wheel. We will switch out this kind of a standard AMG badge with the with the old AMG First Edition, and then we will have a brand new gloss fiber carbon steering wheel. Let's go over to Bavarian Automotive and get this installed.
guys. We are going to go test the paddles and see how she drives.
Alright, we've got the new carbon fiber steering wheel. Everything is replaced. Unfortunately, we could not change the AMG badging to the first edition because it was a welded plastic piece. So we kept the existing AMG logo. We did have to replace out the button assembly from the previous steering wheel. It was not a one-for-one match for the AMG GTS. So he was nice enough to swap those out. And oh, does it look good. And this is what I mean by carbon fiber fever, guys. If we had some sun, it would glisten in the sun, but got the red stitching with the alcantara in just the right places, and everywhere else is carbon fiber. So nice. I thank the whole team at Bavarian Auto. They did a great job in replacing my steering wheel, making sure everything is working correctly. All of my buttons and everything, my navigation, work seamlessly. So if you ever need any automotive repair for your Mercedes, your BMW, your Audi, any German vehicle, please check out Bavarian Auto. I'll leave a link in the description below and give them a shout. All right, well, that was what an incredible experience with the folks over at Bavarian Auto. I want to thank them for all the work they did in putting on the new carbon fiber steering wheel. It looks incredible. This is the first in hopefully a long line of carbon fiber modifications that we're going to make to the AMG GTS. The goal is to anything that is OEM that is in a carbon fiber trim piece, exterior, interior, is to get it onto the GTS. I can't say enough how much I love carbon fiber. The look and feel is just incredible. So for all of those folks out there that just love carbon fiber as much as I do, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a brand new lurker on the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.